Tired of watching your profits disappear before your eyes? I'm going to show you how to set a take profit order on Bybit and lock in those gains. First, navigate to the trading pair you're interested in on the Bybit platform. Make sure you're on the trading screen while it's usually labeled trade or derivatives depending on what you're trading. Now, look for the order panel. You'll usually see options like limit order, market order, or conditional order. The process is similar across all types, but for this example, let's assume you're using a limit order. Enter the price at which you want to sell your asset to secure your profit. This is your take profit price. Then, specify the amount of the asset you want to sell at that price. You'll also see a box indicating take profit. Ensure that the box is checked. Now, to set up your take profit, you'll need to input a trigger price. This is the price that needs to be reached for your take profit order to be activated. Then, enter the quantity you want to sell at your take profit price. Double-check all the details of your order while the trading pair, order type, price, amount, and especially your take profit details. Ensuring everything is correct will help you avoid unwanted trades. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click the confirm button. Your take profit order is now placed and will automatically execute when the price reaches your specified level, securing your profits.